How to save passwords on your Android device. The simple step is, first of all, go to your Chrome. Now tap on the three vertical dot at the top right corner. Now here scroll down a bit, tap on the settings. Now scroll down a bit and under passwords and autofill you'll find Google Password Manager, and tap on Google Password Manager, and here you'll be able to tap on setup and you can add all of your password. If you want to add new passwords, simply tap on add password and tap site name, username, password, and tap note to remember, and after that tap in save and close it, and all of your password will be listed here. And if you want autofill services, simply tap in autofill option, and whenever you open the site you won't have to manually type in the password, it will be autofilled. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily save password and it is very secured, and you can either use, if your Chrome service is installed on PC, you can easily switch between both devices and the password will be saved on both of your accounts. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.